Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna talk about the Castelli bib shorts for my cycling. Now before I go any further here, I want you to like and subscribe because I always do the videos on the bicycles, and a lot of you, I'm sure, will find it quite useful. So anyways, let's get back to this video over here and go into some details. I have in front of me here, I have a Castelli. So when I do a close up here, so this is the Castelli bib shorts, and I have on this thing exactly 10,000 kilometers. So what I had done, I had 5 bicycles that I put approximately 2,000 on each. So 5 bicycles, 2,000 kilometers each per summer. That comes up about 10,000 kilometers on this Castelli BIB shorts. So anyways, what I'm doing over here now, I'm going to talk about some of the wear and tear that I have on this cycling shorts, and at the same time, I'm also going to include down there in the description affiliated Amazon link where you can support me if you purchase something through that link, and I'm going to include a decent link down there where you can. I'm going to include the link where you can purchase the Castelli BIB shorts for a decent price. Anyways, let's get into it right away. So, looking from this angle here, I would say that this cycling shorts has held up pretty decently. I'm going to just go over here and up close and just show you what I'm talking about. The stitching over here is still in a perfect condition. Now, also the logo also seems to be that it's doing okay, and if you look, there's no discoloring. I'm pretty impressed. Now that can be also said over here on the other side, on the Castelli signage right there. Now since I'm talking about the signage and these details, I'm gonna just flip it over right here. So this is pretty kind of sticky. It sticks on your feet, and this particular area here haven't been hit with any major wear and tear here. So over here, everything looks pretty perfect, I would say. Now, I also have this thing here to tighten around your waist, and the string here has also held up pretty good. It looks pretty much brand new. Again, around here, around my waist, it's still decent. Now I'm gonna flip it over at the back. This is where things get a little tricky. Now again over here, nice and neat, no issues. Over here where I sit all the time. This is where my seat comes in to penetrate this, and that looks pretty okay. Now here is the area where it gets a little tricky. When you want to put these on, I would always pull right here. And I would say that this area here is a little weak. I don't know when I touch. You see what I'm talking about? It's pretty. It's really silky, smooth and soft. So I'm a little afraid that this area here it may snap when I pull it hard. Oh, by the way, the Castelli cycling shorts that I'm reviewing here is Rosso. So it says right there, Rosso Corsa. So I guess in Italian, Rosso means red, Corsa. I'm not sure. I gotta look it up. But that's the model right here that I'm reviewing. So this will pretty much cover the outside. Now let me go inside and do a little bit of inside comparison. Now this cushion here that they put inside here, I can also show you the Castelli logo right here. This cushion here has held up very well. The stitching is good. There hasn't been any issues there, so I'm pretty happy about that. Now I'm gonna just touch it for you guys and see that it's still cushy. So after 10,000 miles, 10,000 kilometers, because we're in Canada and we go by kilometers here, I'm very impressed here. Now I'm gonna show you all the way. You see here, there is no any issues whatnot. And this is pretty much that. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.